Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom animations video using Canva. If you want to make fun or engaging cartoon videos for your brand, explainer videos, or maybe social media without complex software, so Canva is the answer. Canva has the Canva AI tool where you can easily create an animation video with just simple prompt. So in here, what you need to do is just open Canva on your phone or on your browser like this. Then just head into the Canva AI. Now just click on the video clip options in here. Then just describe the idea in the text box. So for example, here I'm going to just go with this prompt: a cute 3D cartoon girl with big eyes, full body, smiling to the camera. Let's just go with that. You can modify the style, the aspect ratio and everything, but I'm going to just go with the default settings. So let's just hit on submit and just wait for the result. As you guys can see, this can take up to 2 minutes. You can just wait until Canva AI do its magic and give you the custom animation videos. Okay, so now the video is done. You can just click on the play button to preview the result. So it also comes with audio. But if you want to edit it more or modify it, you can use the Canva editor by clicking on this button. But if you're already satisfied with the result, you can just click on this download button in here. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can easily create a custom animation videos using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.